Hello my friends, welcome to solve this huge math problem, which is log x to base 4 and to base 3, and this to base 2 is equals to 0. Also for this, log y to base 2 and to base this 4 and to base 3 is equals to 0, and log z to base 3 and to base 2 and to base this 4 is equals to 0 to find the value of x plus y plus z. In the first step from log rules, as you know, if we have log of a to base b is equals to c. From here, a is equals to b to power of c. So this is very important formula to solving this equation. In here, from here, if you look at this, if we take this as, we let this as u, in here log of u to base 2 is equals to 0, right? And from here we can write 2 to power of 0 is equals to u. We use this formula, b to power of c is equals to a, right? B to power of c is equals to 8. So from here 2 to power of 0 is equals to u, right? So we write u is this, so we write log, in here we have base 3, log x to base 4 is equals to, u is equals to 2 to power of 0. So we write 2 to power of 0, and this is equals to 1, right? So in next step, for this also, it will be, if we let this as u, it will be u is equals to 3 to power of 0. So we write in here, log of, we write this, log of, here we have base 4, log of y to base 2 is equals to 3 to power of 0 is 1. Also for this, it will be log of z to power of 3 and to z to base 3 and to base 2 is equals to 4 to power of 0 is 1. And in next step, we write, in here also, if we let this as u, it will be log of u to base 3 is equals to 1. And from this formula, u is equals to 3 to power of 1, right? In here, a is equals to b to power of 3, b to power of c. So we write in here, u is log x to base 4 is equals to 3 to power of 1. Also for this, it will be log y to base 2 is equals to 4 to power of 1. And also for this, it will be log z to base 3 is equals to 2 to power of 1. And right in here, it will be log x to base 4 is equals to 3. And for this, it will be log y to base 2 is equals to 4. So for this, it will be log z to base 3 is equals to 2. And again, from here, x is equals to 4 to power of 3, right? 4 to power of 3. Also for this, y is equals to 2 to power of 4. And in here, z is equals to 3 to power of 2. So in here, it will be, we want to find the value of x plus y plus z, right? In here, x is 4 to power of 3, and 4 to power of 3 is 64, and plus y is 2 to power of 4 is 16, and plus z is 3 to power of 2 is 9. And it will be x plus y plus z is equals to 89. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.